Hello everyone, welcome to our SQL series. So this is our fourth part in this series. So let's start. If you like this series, so please do like and subscribe, so it will help me to boost my energy to make more videos. So let's start. So in this video we are going to see what is RDBMS. So RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. Okay. So long form of RDBMS is Relational Database Management System. It is the backbone of modern data management. Okay. So RDBMS is a very important part of the modern data. So as you can see, here are the some diagrams of the RDBMS and some arrows joins to each other to each tables. So for these arrows or for these lines, we called it in RDBMS language, we called it relationships. Okay. So there is the four types of relationships: one to many, many to one, many to many, and many to one. So these are the four types of relationships in RDBMS. Then the definition of RDBMS. RDBMS organizes data into tables with columns and rows, creating relationships between different data points. So as we have already seen in these diagrams, RDBMS create relationships between these tables. Then the database management. RDBMS is a software designed to manage relationships databases, relational databases, including creating, storing, and retrieving data. Okay. Then if you want, you can take screenshot and read it later. Then the third definition of the RDBMS system is RDBMS is an ecosystem of apps, tools, and protocols that enables data management in a reliable and scalable way. And integration database RDBMS play well with other data storage systems and APIs, can be built to sync data across different platforms. Okay, so these are the definitions of RDBMS. Then we will see the key features of RDBMS. So these are the three main key features of RDBMS, that is data integrity, ACID compliance, and data scalability. So RDBMS ensures that the consistency and accuracy of the completeness of data, meaning there's less room for error in your data. Okay. Then there is a ACID compliance in RDBMS. We will see it in depth in our upcoming lectures. The ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Okay, which guarantee that transactions occur reliably and efficiently. And the fourth question is data scalability. RDBMS can handle vast amounts of data with some systems exceeding petabytes of storages. Okay, so these are the key features of RDBMS. Then we are going to see advantages of RDBMS. So mainly advantages of RDBMS. First is growth. RDBMS provides a reliable and scalable way to manage data. Then the security. RDBMS employs robust security measures to ensure that your data is encrypted and protected. And then the productivity. RDBMS streamlines data management tasks, saving time and effort and freeing resources to focus on other important tasks. Then types of RDBMS systems. So there are the three types of RDBMS system. First is Oracle, MySQL, and Microsoft SQL Server. So in Oracle, one of the oldest RDBMS system is Oracle. Then there is a MySQL. It is a free open source RDBMS system software. Then there is a Microsoft SQL Server. It is designed for use to Microsoft suites of products, and SQL Server is powerful RDBMS tool that includes advanced features like data warehousing and business intelligence tools. Okay. Then we will see RDBMS versus means relational database versus non-relational databases. So In RDBMS, uses tables to store and organize data enabling in efficient data querying and management. In NoSQL, stores data in documents or graphs, which enables more flexibility but can making querying and sorting more challenging. Okay, so non-relationship relational database is like challenging to sort, but RDBMS is easy. Then we will see key value stores. So it stores data as key value pairs, enabling simple data retrieval and fast performance for certain types of data. Okay. And last we will see conclusions of the database RDBMS. RDBMS offers powerful data management features. We have already seen ACID, scalability, data integrity, like that. NoSQL solutions offer alternative approaches to the data management, and in the future we can expect continued innovation and disruptions of the data management space. So this is the RDBMS and RDBMS advantages, key features, and types of RDBMS. So that's it in the RDBMS. So we only see the overview of DBMS and RDBMS. We are not going to deep into it. In upcoming lectures, we are going to take the IMP parts from these two languages, DBMS and RDBMS. So we will see it one by one in the practical lectures. Then you will understand, like, then you will understand what is the difference between DBMS and RDBMS when we are going to start practical lectures. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe and share with your friends. So if you have any doubt, please comment. I will definitely answer you. And thank you guys.